The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are circulating on social media. And according to some things that have been said on social media about the pieces of videos that I'm about to present to you, it is said that these pieces of videos shows when police officers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago raided a house that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now, viewers and subscribers, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly when the incident happened, you see me? But however, I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you so that you can take a look at these pieces of videos, and you can also let me know what to think about some of the things that have been shown and said in these pieces of videos. Alright? Many comments have been made on social media about these pieces of videos that I'm about to present to you. You see me? And I'm presenting these pieces of videos to you so that you can tell me what you think. Alright? Now, I'm going to put these pieces of videos together and present them to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Clearly, we know you're illiterate.
Takes one to know.
Okay, wait. They're going to let them break it up on. This is not Kiana Alexis' apartment. Kiana Alexis' apartment is done. This is my apartment. Leave them. Let them break it up. So let them move from the gate. Let them break it up on. Let me see illiteracy. Let me dance. Talking about illiteracy. Can the police service that take much? They can't even write a statement. It's hard to get in, but easy to come out. Kiana Alexis' apartment downstairs, but they're going in my apartment. Tell us Simon, like Simon. And I tell her that? But exactly. Don't talk about nothing. I tell her Karen living downstairs. Call Karen. Call Karen. All come here, all you know what all they're doing and what all they come here, go ahead, all you learn a lesson. All you learn a lesson. All you see Jordan, all you learn a lesson. The thing in the pocket, you couldn't even help him. All you learn a lesson, all you go ahead.
I bring the sledge to now.
Police, confirm over.
Yeah, police come here for you, but they're obsessed by me. Police here for you, but they're obsessed by me. They're coming to break my gate. I'll leave them let them break it. Look, they're right here. It's a little ass. I'll leave them let them break it. Just huh?
I'm coming now.
Yeah. Well, do the churn something now. Do the churn something. That churn, alright. Like he could do something. Well, I just sign for watch now. I see some of them is dead like dog college dogs. Or like, exactly. The gate open, but you jumping over.
Keep all this everything for women saying, well, it comes to house. All the young ladies and them
look Karen Alexis, look Karen Alexis. Look Karen Alexis. Fool. Stand here. No, who they going inside the way? You don't know what they could do. He cocking there, he's a fool. He feel he about him master, nobody don't know who is he face. I'm going over to
they can't go into
no, let us search. But the WPC, look, she now going after her woman upstairs. Move Kadifa. Stand here. Come. Cracking gun and thing, don't study them. No, we don't tell them that already, but let me lecturate. Don't study them, we supposed to pray them. Them is fool. We all had to go to do that. Well, you come in our family house. We all had to go and do that. Go ahead, I'm right behind you. Okay, no problem. The one downstairs now cracky gun for Seliana. No man. They don't care. No, the one now cracky gun for Seliana there. This one outside there with the mask. The one outside there. Look at me here, this one. He. The little fool. No, he mask.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Pieces of videos that are out on social media, and according to some things that have been said on social media about these pieces of videos, it is said that these pieces of videos shows when police officers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago raided a house that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now, viewers and subscribers, some things that I saw and heard in those pieces of videos that I presented to you, they have me thinking, you see? Yeah, they have me thinking. Some things that I saw and heard in those pieces of videos have me thinking, and I'm going to tell you what I think about some of the things that I saw and heard in those pieces of videos, alright? I want you to please bear in mind, that I'm only telling you what I think about some of the things that I saw and heard in those pieces of videos. So therefore, the things that I'm about to say, they are not any form of confirmation towards anything that occurred or happened when it come on to the incident that these pieces of videos shows, alright? I'm just telling you what I think, you see me? I wonder if those police officers went inside of the wrong person's home, you see me? Yeah, I wondered if those police officers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago went inside of the wrong person's home, you see me? And the reason why I said that is because of some things that persons said in pieces of the videos that I presented to you, you see? I also wondered if this whole thing is some form of a mistake or a misunderstanding, you see me? I also thought about some of the things that a person said in the background of parts of these pieces of videos that I presented to you, you see? Viewers and subscribers, some of these pieces of videos that I presented to you, they are from one entire video that is out on social media. But because of some things that have been shown and said in parts of the entire video that is out on social media, I edited the video and take some parts of the video out. You understand me? Because some of those parts of the video, I think it was inappropriate to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, some parts of the video I thought it was inappropriate, so I took out those parts of the video and tried to keep this video that I'm doing as family friendly as possible. You see what I'm saying to you? And according to some things that I saw and heard in pieces of these videos that I presented to you, it seems as if those police officers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago went to a family home. You see, I do not have a lot of information about the incident or the pieces of videos that I presented to you, you see me? But however, I presented these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can take a look at these pieces of videos and you can also let me know what you think about these pieces of videos or the incident that these pieces of videos shows. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that I said. You see me, you can let me know if you think I am wrong or if you think I am right or so on. You understand me? Yeah, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? You know, I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers, alright? And let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.